Hello and welcome to another episode of Rebel Rogue, where today I'll be showing you how to glaze.
Rebel Rogue.
To begin, choose your colour. This colour can have any viscosity as we will thin it later. Then, thinning with either water or a medium of your choice to roughly the consistency shown. The thinner than you'd put in an airbrush and almost water-like. Next, apply this thin colour to the area on which you want to glaze, dragging the brush towards the area where you want the strongest colour, as the brush deposits the most paint at the end of the stroke. Glazing can also be used for subtle colour transitions or to increase saturation of an area. I then continue applying layers of this thin paint until I am somewhat happy with the result. I then take a dry brush and start sucking up the excess glaze that has accrued in the recessed areas near the sort of hingy metal-y bits. I also allow this glaze to dry upside down so that all the paint runs to where I want the glaze to be strongest. This is not essential, but I thought I'd mention it. Ad lib. So here you can see the result I finished with. The next step that I took was to edge highlight the purple areas with a light blue-violet colour. This was to push the contrast just a little and create more visual interest. Then I applied a less dilute form of my original colour to the areas that I wanted to be most saturated. This was just to raise the contrast further. My final steps were to apply a second edge highlight, followed by a glaze with the original glaze, the very thin consistency one. I will then finish the white on this wing, and that will be the image you see in the thumbnail. Anyway, I hope you have found this video useful. If you have, please smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Goodbye.